Oh my god. Things I have to do for the video.
Hi all you wonderful people out there, welcome back to my channel Panache. I know I do look a bit weird today with this hairdo, but today's video is all about that. Today I'm going to be trying and testing out 5 weird makeup hacks. These are the makeup hacks which are trending so much on TikTok and so many other sites. So I thought, why not give it a go in front of you. Let me try and test them out in front of you and see whether it really works or no. Most of these hacks are just for fun, so have some fun with me, try and test them at home and see whether it really works for you. And there are a few which are practical, so you can definitely make use of them. So now without any further ado, let's begin with this video. But before that, thank you so much each and every one of you for the immense support you have given me on this channel, for all the views, for all the comments, for all the lovely words that you all are posting on the comments. It's really so nice and kind of you. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, I'm Veena. This is my channel Panache. I create a lot of videos here on beauty, makeup and lifestyle, and also a lot of fun content with my family. You can check out the previous videos that I have created. If you really like this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also spread the word around with your contacts. It will really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Also, please do not forget to follow me on my Insta page. I put a lot of glimpses of the coming up videos, so you'll get an idea of what's coming up. So please do not forget to follow me there. Now let's begin with this video. Hack 1. Hack 1 is when you use a foundation, any liquid foundation of your choice, and put it on a slightly inflated balloon and use this balloon as your beauty blender to blend your foundation. So let's see how this works. Okay, I have this foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless foundation. This is a liquid foundation, one of my favorites. Really nice for oily skin especially. It mattifies your skin nicely. So I've taken a little bit, as you can see over here, on my inflated balloon, which is my blender for today. So I shall put it on my skin and wish me all the best. It says it actually blends your makeup like you would blend it with a beauty blender. Please ignore the weird sounds it's making. It's blending it really well, I must say that, but I don't know how to blend it in the corner of my eyes and the side of my nose. These areas, how do I blend? Else, it's blending very nicely. I have taken a little extra product, but that can be toned down, not a problem. It's blending pretty well, as you can see. I've used a little extra product, that's why it's looking like this. But otherwise it's blending pretty well. The only thing is it cannot get into these corners, so it is not really practical. So I think beauty blender works the best. So this is the first makeup hack. Let me complete this and come back. Now that I look a little bit sane after blending up the makeup, the weird makeup patchiness that it created with that balloon, I just blended it out with a brush in the corner of my eyes, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next hack. Hack number 2. Moving on to hack number 2. Hack number 2, it says you can contour your nose using your nose and your cheeks using a fork. Now you have to just place your fork over here like this and place your contour. You take your contour shade. Now I have this palette. This is a palette from Nykaa. This is a used and abused palette from Nykaa. So I'm going to place it here and put the contour shade here to contour my nose. You can see that, and it says you need to place the fork like this at an angle to contour your cheeks. So I'll do that. So let's blend this out. Now this is not bad at all. It gives you a good guidance. If you need some guidance to contour your nose, it gives you a good guidance. But again, as I said, this video is just for fun. We're just trying and testing out the hacks that they have, and it's not bad. It has at least not ruined my makeup. All you have to do is blend it well. That's it. So I'll do that and get back. So I did that. I blended the contour well and it looks good. So if you want guidance of how to contour your cheeks and your nose, you can use a fork. Otherwise you can do it using your hand. Now let's move on to the next hack, now which I think this hack is a really practical hack, so which anyone can try at home, and it is a lifesaver. So you can definitely try this hack. Let's move on to the next hack, hack number 3. Hack number 3 says you can use any of your lipsticks, okay, as a blush. Now this is a hack which most of us already know about, but let me try and test it. Now I'm using this particular lipstick. This is a Miss Claire liquid lipstick. I'm using a nice peachy sort of a tone, okay, and that's it. Using it as my blush. Only thing is, if you use a liquid blush like this, you need to blend it immediately, otherwise it settles onto your face. Now you can see here the blush is a little extra, so I think you need to blend it immediately. That's all. But it looks nice. It gives a nice flush of color. You need not invest in another blush. Just use your lipstick as your blush and you're good to go. So this hack is actually practical and really worth it. Now let's move on to the next hack. Now moving on to the next hack, hack number 4. Hack number 4 says you use a tweezer. Now I have a tweezer here, and this is my eyebrow kit, okay. You can either use an eyebrow kit if you have, or you can just use any eyeshadow, a dark brown eyeshadow. And what you do is you just take your tweezer, dip it into the eyeshadow or the eyebrow powder and carve out your eyebrows, so you can get a nice defined eyebrow shape. That's what it says. So let's try this. So I'm dipping it into the eyebrow powder here and trying to carve out my eyebrows. Now be careful because the tweezer is sharp. Now I don't think this is working at all. It's just depositing a lot of color here itself at one place, as you can see. It's not really distributing the color, and it is really rough on the skin. So I think you can just give this a miss because it's doing nothing. So hack number 4 is a total flop. I'll finish my eyebrows using the brush and get back. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and I think that hack number 4 did not work at all, so you can definitely give it a miss. Now moving on to the next, final and the best hack that I thought we should try. Anyone can try this at home, but try it at your own risk. Be careful of your eyes. Now this hack says you need to take color pencils. Now normal color pencils. Now I have these color pencils from Doms, okay, Doms or Doms or whatever it's called. So these are the color pencils which I've taken in a glass like this, and I'm going to put hot water into this glass for about 5 minutes, and after that I can use these eye pencils as my eyeliner. So let's see how good it works. So I'm going to get back, dip them into some hot water and be back. So here I am. I've dipped the pencils in this hot boiling water here. I'm going to wait for about 2-3 minutes and let's see how it works. I plan on taking 2 bright colors, a red and maybe a green, now that it's Christmas season coming up. So let's try how this works. Be careful if you're trying this at home. See that it's not too hot. Now these are anyway non-toxic colors, so it's okay. But still be careful. Now I'm going to start with the red. Just blowing it just in case. And let's see if it works. And it really does. Can you see that? Oh my god, this is insane. This is insane. Now I'm going to try this dark green on the other side. And let's see if it works. Can you see? It's actually giving such nice pigmentation. I think it's really nice. Let me try the red again and try to make it a bit bolder. Create a small tiny ring. Can you see that? I am shook, really. I never expected it to give such nice pigmentation. I think this is the best ever hack. Let me try the green again here. So I have the Christmas colors. I'm actually enjoying this hack. I think this hack was really nice. And as you can see, it has worked. I'll give you a swatch over here. See, this is the blue, the yellow, the red. You can see the pigmentation is as good as a proper colored eyeliner. This is the lighter green. This is the pink. It's a very light shade, so it's not showing up much. This is the orange. There, you can see. This is the purplish shade. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. The pigmentation is actually insane. Just like a proper colored eyeliner. It's so nice. So I think this was the best hack. I don't know, I'm so excited about this hack. I think it's really nice. It came out so well. So that's it. I'll just finish off my face now and come back. So I'm back. I just completed the eye properly. I just put on a little bit of lipstick, that's all. So this is it. This entire face is all only using makeup hacks. So I really hope you like this video. I was really happy with the last hack. I was so excited and I wanted to try more and more colors, which I'm definitely going to try. You can try this at home also. Be careful. Don't go very close to your eye because these are crayons. I mean, these are color pencils after all. But you can give this a try. It's fun. So if you really like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. And please share it with your contacts. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you want me to make any more fun content like this, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try my level best to do that for you. Now let's end this video. And like I always say, stay safe, stay strong and stay happy. I will be posting a lot of stuff related to a lot of Christmas makeup. And there will definitely be a giveaway on the 26th of December. So stay tuned for that. And I'm sure you're going to have fun watching that video. It's going to be my birthday special video. And I really want to give away for all the love that you are giving me. I want to make a giveaway. So I really want to give back too. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you so much once again. Bye-bye.